A mysterious fortune teller arrives one day. No one knows where she came from, but soon her strange claims begin to capture everyone's attention. As the strange news spreads, even the bravest villagers begin to feel a little scared of the unknown.
They say she can see the future. I do not just see the future, I decide it. With my secret potion, I can see everyone's fate.
The fortune teller's words sound powerful, but no one stops to ask, are they really true?
How of it? How? Watch it carefully. When I mix this potion, its color will change and the color will decide your future. Our future? How? Watch carefully.
One by one, curiosity turns into belief, and belief slowly turns into fear.
The color is fading, which means the danger is near for this village. Danger? What should we do? Only I can save you. Trust me, and I can protect your future.
In science, every mystery has a reason, but here the villagers are choosing stories over logic.
Why is everyone so worried? Scientist, she showed us our future. Ocean changed its color. It means danger. Stay away. This is beyond science. No, it's actually very simple. This is not magic or your future. It's just science. Then what is really happening?
Let me explain in a easy way. There are two liquids here. One is potassium permanganate, which has color, and the other is ferrous ammonium sulfate, which contains iron and does not have color. When we mix them, they react with each other and the color slowly disappears. It is just a chemical reaction, not magic.
So it happens the same way every time? Yes. It's still magic.
What looks like fate is about to be tested by facts.
Let's show it again.
Under the boughs where the shadows play, the wind hums songs at the break of day, whispering pines, secrets untold, carrying tales only the forest holds. Moonlight spills through the velvet dark, etching patterns
So there is no future written in it.
mark.
Correct. Your future depends on your action, not a potion.
The
I misled you all.
side
Step by step, the illusion begins to break, and reality starts to appear. And in the end, the village learns that what looked like fate was simply science waiting to be understood.
sing me your tune.
Don't
Don't
believe
believe
blind.
blindly.
Understand,
Understand and
learn.
learn.
Thank you.